Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make green Elaichi powder. Start by selecting fresh pods and splitting them to release seeds immediately. Dry roast seeds on low heat for a minute to awaken oils, then cool completely. Use a clean, dry grinder and pulse to a fine powder, sifting out larger pieces and regrinding them once for uniform texture. Store in an airtight jar away from light for best shelf life. In this video, I will show how to make green Elaichi powder. Begin by gently splitting pods and collecting seeds on a tray immediately. Roast seeds on a pan for 30 to 60 seconds until fragrant, then transfer to a plate to cool completely. Grind small batches to a fine texture, sifting and repeating until you achieve an even powder. Label and date the jar and keep it in a cool, dark place for lasting flavor. In this video, I will show how to make green Elaichi powder. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers I love for storing freshly ground spices, and for neat meal prep, they seal tight and keep aroma locked in. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make green Elaichi powder. Grind seeds in short bursts to keep the essential oils intact and to avoid overheating. Sift the powder and regrind any coarse bits until smooth, storing the final product in a small airtight container immediately. For consistent results, work in small quantities and clean your grinder between uses to prevent flavor transfer. Enjoy bright, fresh aroma in your recipes whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.